Now that you're clear with each steps of how to build your flight booking engine, in this video, I'm going to share with you Porotypes as a demo app and also code example that where you can find it. So this is our developer documentations. You can refer all the information related to self-service API. And as you can see in the examples and prototype, we have all the demo apps and code example per language with our SDK is available. So here, I just want to show you the one prototype here as a demo. Today, I want to show you this first one with the Django app. If you click it, as you can see, we have screenshot and also we have built the flight booking engine with the search, price, and order that I mentioned, the mandatory 3 step. And also at the same time that we have implemented the airport and city search to autocomplete and display the COVID-19 information with travel restriction API. So let's take a look. So if you click the link to the GitHub, you see our GitHub. And there is information that how to run the project locally. So I have followed the instructions with my API keys. I have cloned the code and it's already running in my local machine. So let me just copy and paste this. And here it is. So this is the app, the flight booking app, the demo app. Let's try to search. So I'm just gonna put Paris. And as you can see, when I search and when I try to type the Paris, it will autocomplete the city code with our API called airport and city search. And I will call Paris to New York. And I will put the date with the calendar and search. So when I click search, what is happening in behind the scene is that it calls the flight offer search based on the search criteria that we have put. We're looking at the result. So now we're displaying the list of the flight offers that flight offer search returns and with the price. And also on the right side, as you can see, there is information about travel restrictions with the COVID-19 that with our travel restriction API that you can display based on the traveler's destinations. So once I click book, it will record the flight price API to validate the price. And also once it is validated, it will call the flight create order to complete the bookings. So this is a basic booking engine that you can refer and get an idea of how you're going to build your own flight booking engine. And apart from this prototype, we have also interesting example called interactive example that you can refer here in the documentations. This is an interactive code example that we have created a flight search form. Our user need to put the origin and destination with the desired travel date and number of the passengers with the search flight button. So this form, you can feel free to modify yourself so that you can just copy and paste HTML or CSS or JavaScript. So the good thing about here is, as you can see, all the logic has been implemented. For example, the adult, you can only choose till 9, which is the travel industry standard that you can book up to 9 adult. And also if you click the 3 adult, you can only be able to select the 6 children, which has a logic. And also you will be able to select only 3 infant based on the number of the adult. So all this logic has been implemented with the calendar. So feel free to use this into your applications. And apart from the interactive example, we have also code example for you to refer. Per SDK, which is Python, Node, Java. We have all this code example available per API. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video in this basic flight booking engine series. In the next series, I'm gonna talk about advanced flight booking engine that you can add on top of the basic flight booking engine that you have just built. See you in the next video.